Hi guys, Bob for Bob's Movie Review here, and today I am bringing you the Swiss Army Man Blu-ray Digital HD Combo Pack unboxing. If you enjoyed the video, please leave it a like rating. So this is a kind of a weird looking movie, but it's something I thought I'd be interested in checking out. I got this quite a while ago, but it was like $10 I think on Amazon when I got it, and I made a mistake and I ordered two. I don't know what happened, to be honest. So I'm going to give one copy away. I don't need a second copy. So what we'll do is we'll do a digital copy giveaway and the Blu-ray giveaway. And what I'll do is I'll just pick two winners. The first winner will get the Blu-ray and the second winner will get the digital copy. So Paul Dano and Daniel Radcliffe, Swiss Army Man. A film by Daniels, okay. A gorgeous adventure bursting with color. Hilarious, wholly unique. Hank is stranded on a deserted island, having given up all hope of ever making it home again, but one day everything changes when a corpse named Manny washes up ashore. The two become fast friends and ultimately go on an epic adventure that will bring Hank back to the woman of his dreams. Special features, deleted scenes, Q&A with filmmakers, Swiss Army Man behind the scenes, making of Manny featurette, audio commentary, rated R for language and sexual material, and a runtime of 97 minutes. If you guys have seen this movie, I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts down in the comment section below, what you thought of it. Yep, these stickers are a pain. Alright, let's check out the inside. We have just a plain gray disc there, Swiss Army Man. No kind of other artwork inside. Alright, so remember, just click on the first link in the description and take you to a website where you can earn super easy entries into my giveaway. If you haven't already, subscribe for more videos, check out the suggested videos, and I'll see you guys next time.